Welcome back to the winter beater project part 2, day 2. So we got this thing in here yesterday, so today we're gonna have to rebuild this motor. So let's get this popped up here. Hold you guys up here for a second. Okay, so I brought a whole bunch of tools from work. And we got some oil drip trays there. We got a parts organizer. I just bought some, there's a new LED headlights. And some mats to go over the fenders so I don't get it too dirty. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this. So we gotta drain the oil out, we gotta drain the coolant out, pull that off, pull everything else off. So yeah, that'll be fun. Let's get at it. Okay, we got all the cameras set up, so let's just get started on this. First thing, we're gonna drain the oil, then we're gonna drain the coolant. It's always good to put it in a drain catch like this, then you can seal it up, take it to dispose of it somewhere.
Burning like a firefly, feeling the air tonight. Oh, come alive, burning like a firefly.
Okay, day 3 of the vlog. I got Michael here giving us a hand. Amber's giving us a hand. Well, mostly just spectating. So down to the base engine now. We got the timing belt exposed, water pump. Pulling the valve covers off, and then we can get these heads off and see what's going on. Pulled the hood off, but we didn't get that because the SD card was full, so we changed to a new SD card. We should have pulled that off in the first place because look at how much space we got there.
Space and light.
Yeah. Oh well. Nothing you learn. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Just
pull it down. Ashley, hold up. Don't just leave it. It'll
just catch.
Yeah. Should anyways.
Oh yeah, there we go. Nice.
Okay. So there's our engine. Well, what's left of the engine? The rest is over there and under there. and up there. So, we are gonna see if we can't hand bomb this engine out. We're gonna pull. Not sure. We're just gonna slide the transmission back, and then we're gonna try to just hand bomb this engine out of here. Can't see it weighing more than 200 pounds, and we got Michael here, and we got me here, so I think we should be able to do it. Find out soon enough.
Come alive, I like a firefly.
There's the engine. How are we gonna get this out? Look at that. There we go. We got the engine out without an engine hoist. Beauty.
Pure muscle.
Pure manpower. Empty engine bay.
If that's the same as a Skyline spline, I have a clutch for you.
Oh yeah? I think it was brand new.
You think, eh? It's brand new?
Well, look at it. He's supposed to have just replaced it.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a nice rear main seal leak though.
Yeah.
Thanks, Eric.
No worries. Thank you. Didn't scratch this up too much? Oh, we're good.
Just black and this. Perfect. Let's see. Get the tall shot here.
Oh, come alive, come alive.